Let's do a complete and full tutorial on Fetch Rewards. This is one of my top 3 favorite rebate apps that I've been using for probably 7 or 8 years, but I just realized I haven't done a tutorial in 5 years. Quite a few things have changed, so I want to update the tutorial and show you step by step in this video exactly how to use it. A lot of people don't try new rebate apps because they're overwhelmed with how to use it, how do you even earn your points, how are you going to redeem your points, right? Most important, how am I going to get that gift card? So I'm going to show you step by step in this video the different bonuses that you can get, how to scan your receipt, it's super easy, and of course, how to cash out. So let's dive in. So this is the Fetch Rewards screen when you first open it. Now, if you're new to Fetch Rewards, use this code J24VT. When you get signed up and scan your first receipt, you're gonna get a 2,000 point bonus, which is $2. Some of the gift cards that you can redeem for are as little as $5, so you're almost halfway there, ready to get your first gift card. Again, this app is super easy to use, so once you use that link and get it downloaded, this is what your home screen is gonna look like when you open the app. So let's take a quick tour. At the bottom, where it shows the camera with the little number 3, what you're gonna do when you're submitting your receipt is you're just gonna be clicking on that camera. That is gonna access the camera on your phone. So the one to the left is going to be your digital receipts. You can connect your Amazon account and your Walmart account. So anytime you place an order, whether it's online or in store, you're gonna click 2 buttons and you're gonna get points back for all of the different products that you're buying. Literally doesn't get easier than that. When you have a physical receipt that you want to submit to Fetch Rewards, what you're going to do is click the little camera icon. So let me grab a receipt that I have not submitted yet, and that way we can submit it together. So we're going to click that icon. It's going to use my camera. So what we're going to do is just line it up, and you're going to take a photo of your receipt. Now, see how it's telling you to put your finger right here and drag it up and let it go. That's it. Now it's going to calculate everything and give you a receipt. So this one says, oh, I already submitted this one, darn it. So if you do accidentally submit it and you try to resubmit it again, this is what's going to pop up and tell you like, yes, you've already submitted that, darn it. All right, let's click continue. Let me try another one. Okay, that one's good. So as it shows, I earned 35 points back. A lot of things are going to have bonuses. Some of them you're going to be able to track towards them as well. So if you see here extra, they have a bonus right now. When you spend $4, you're going to be able to earn points back. So you can click on it. It says you're going to earn 400 points. The conversion is really easy for Fetch Rewards, which we love. 1,000 points equals $1. So 400 points is going to be 40 cents. You're just going to move the decimal over. So when you spend $4 on extra gum, you're going to get 40 cents back. If it's a product you're already buying, you may as well. Couple other things on this. It shows here redemption. So you can do 3 times redemptions. So you can do it all in one receipt. You can do multiple receipts. It's just going to continue to track towards it until you've earned the 40 cents back up to 3 times. It tells you here also the valid dates of the receipts that you're submitting in order to get this bonus. So say I spend $12 on the nose or more. It can't be $11.99, like $12 or more on extra gum. I would wind up getting back $1.20 because 40 cents times 3. So that's a little bit about the bonuses and stuff. Now that we've submitted our receipt, let's go back to the front. So we're back on the home page. So how do I find what different deals are available, what bonuses are available? What you can do at the top, it says for you. So you can just scroll through. These are a couple that it picked for me based on my purchasing habits and what I'm typically doing. Some of the stores and some of the offers are only for specific stores. So you do want to make sure that you check that. So let's go into see more. This is going to show me all of the different deals available. So see how for this one, for the Spend 20 Shea Moisture, it shows Walmart, CVS, plus 3. See how it says that right there? So there's only 5 stores that you can do this deal at to be able to get the points back. So if you click on it, then it says only at select stores right here, okay? So you're gonna click the arrow and it's gonna tell you the list of stores available for this receipt to be submitted to. So say I go to Kroger and I try to do this promotion and submit my receipt. I'm not gonna get the bonus points because it has to be only one of these 5 stores available. So you do wanna make sure that you're checking that before you're doing it. At the end of the day, submit every receipt because you never wanna miss a bonus. Sometimes you'll forget to check Fetch Rewards first. It takes you 20 seconds. Just take a picture of the receipt anyway. Sometimes it'll surprise you and you'll get some bonus points that you didn't even realize. So for this one, for example, when you spend $20 on Shea Moisture, you're going to get $4 back. So that's a really good bonus. Let's go back to the main page. Okay, so we are on offers. Okay, so we click to see more. You can click progress on the left. So it's going to show you the ones that I've already been tracking towards so I can try to finish them out. So I have hauls that there's 2 different bonuses for hauls that I'm tracking towards, General Mills. I buy a lot of cereal. You can also do category. Okay, so it's going to give you different categories if you need to buy baby products, if you want to buy personal care products, wine and spirits, etc. You can click on it and see what's available. Another one is just high to low. The highest amount you're going to get back to the lowest amount you're going to get back. So some of these items aren't even just for grocery items. So the Sleep Right, for example, you can get a pillow. When you buy a pillow, select varieties, online only, it says it right there, you're going to earn back 25,000 points, which is $25 back when you purchase that. So to be able to do that, you would click on it, click shop now. It's going to take you over to the right website. You have to do it this way. You can't just go to sleep. You can't just go to this website on its own and then get the points back. It doesn't work that way. You have to go through Fetch Rewards, click it, and then click shop now. So this is the product that you would buy. It's $129 to $149. So if it's something you need and you want to buy it, if it's something you're going to be buying anyway, you may as well get $25 cash back. Love that. Okay, so let's go back. So you can scroll through and see the different things available. So some of them are on florist.com, Sherry's Berries, Simply Chocolate, Popcorn Factory. There's a bunch. When you scroll down a little bit more, there's going to be other like personal care products, right? So this one here for Unilever, this one here says buy 3 Unilever whole body deodorants at Walgreens. So it has to be at Walgreens only. You're going to get back 4,500 points or $4.50. So when you click on it, when it has a different amount that you can do, so for this one you had to buy 3, you can buy 1 today and 2 next week. As long as you purchased all of them within the time like allotted, then you'll get the points back. You do not have to buy them all on the same receipt, which is nice because then you can wait until there's really good deals or sales at Walgreens where we're getting back Walgreens cash or we're getting back register rewards or whatever to make the deal even better. Okay. Another thing I like that Fetch Rewards does is it tracks your spending. So you can kind of use this app as a way of budgeting as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to click the little button on the bottom all the way on the right. Kind of looks like a little blue diamond. You're going to click on it. Then it says points activity. So you can click points activity and it's going to show you all the different points that you've earned. You can click on receipts. It's going to show you the different receipts that you submitted and how many points you've earned per receipt. Then you can go to all. So when you click on it, it's going to show you, if you click on the actual graph, you can click on the month and it's going to show you how many points you earned for the month. So in July, I earned $223. In June, I earned $273. May, I earned $135, etc. Now, some of these points are from referrals as well. So that's not just from scanning my receipts and stuff. So I do want to be 100% transparent on that. Next, let's go at the bottom. So we're going to click on this little shop icon. There's other things that you can do to be able to earn points back. So definitely explore this anytime you're going to be shopping. So for example, Chewy right there has a Safe Cat jeweled breakaway collar. When you buy it, you're going to earn back $195. So they have other things that you can purchase through the app to be able to get points back. Another thing you can do is click on the little trophy icon in the bottom right. They have different games and stuff you can play to be able to earn points. Now, I've never done this, I'm not going to lie. So I don't know how good it is, if it works, if it doesn't. So you have play free mobile games and you're going to earn points. You're just going to click play now. If you guys do it, definitely let us know in the comments, like, is it worth your time? How much time does it take, etc. I don't really have time to kind of go through it right now, but this one says clock in, earn big, complete 3 tasks to unlock an $8 bonus. So when you click on it, this is what you have to do. So you have to just like play some of these games. Again, I don't know how long or anything. This is a fairly new part of Fetch Rewards. It's just not part that I actually use. Then there's in progress that you can click on if you've done any of these games. Help, if you have any questions or anything, you can click on that as well. So let's go back to Fetch Rewards. Now let's talk about cashing in those points. So you are going to be able to transfer those points into digital gift cards. It's not actual cash back. You can't transfer it to like PayPal or your bank account or anything like that. But There's literally like tens of thousands of stores that you can do. So you're gonna click on your points in the top right-hand corner, and you're gonna click use points. So there's a couple different ways that you can do this. You can either search by points at the top. So say you have 5,000 points and you wanna know all the different things available for $5 gift cards, because not every place is gonna offer a $5 gift card. So if you click on it, it's gonna be alphabetical. So bam, Amazon. 5,000 points would get you a $3 gift card to Amazon. So you can scroll through. There's American Cancer Society if you want to do like donations with your points, Bass Pro Shops, Code.com, Foundation. I mean, there's going to be like a million. Target is on here as well, the Vitamin Shop, blah, 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 okay? So now let's go over to search, and you can search. It's going to be listed alphabetical as well. They have Walmart available. I also use it for Dunkin', my favorite coffee. You guys know that. If you've been subscribed to my channel or any of my social media for a while, you guys know how much I love Dunkin'. I got myself some this morning. So yeah, you can use the points for whatever you want. So let's say they have CVS as well, which I use when I'm couponing, because now this can help lower my out-of-pocket cost, okay? So let's say, for example, you want a $10 gift card to CVS. Click on the 10. Then at the bottom, you're gonna click Get My $10 Reward right here. And then you're gonna tap yes. I'm not gonna do it right now because I don't wanna actually redeem for this, but you're gonna tap yes. It takes a full 3 days for you to be able to get your digital gift card. So make sure when you are submitting for it, so for CVS, I usually shop at CVS on Monday. When I'm finished with my haul, if I've used all of my gift card that I have available, that day I'll submit for another one so that I have it available ready to go for next week, because it does take a full 3 days to be able to get your points as the digital gift card. And the gift card is gonna be right on the app. So once it's available, when you open up the Fetch Rewards app, it'll pop up and say, hey, this gift card is now available to be used. So it'll kind of remind you, which is nice, but you can click on My Rewards over here in the top right-hand corner. These are all the gift cards that I have available. When you've used a gift card, you're gonna click Mark as Used in the right-hand corner. Like, I haven't marked it on any of these, so I don't know if there's any points on them left, to be honest. I'd have to like go through and figure that out, so that's not good. Next, what you can do if you want to use your card is you're going to click on it, and it's going to give you the barcode, and then it's going to give you the card number and the PIN. So when you go to Dunkin', I literally just show them this at the register. They scan it, boop, and then it covers the cost, you know, if I have enough, etc. So it's super easy to use. Then when you're done, to keep your Fetch Rewards organized, you want to click Mark as Used right above the $25. If you see that there, click that. So that way it'll disappear off of your screen. So that way you know which ones you still have money on and which ones you do not. So that's how you're gonna use it. Again, you can sort by A to Z if you have a bunch. Like obviously I do a bunch of Amazon, I do a bunch of CVS. I did Bath & Body Works once as well, because you can stack that. When they have their big Bath & Body Works candle sale and stuff, you can use this to lower your out-of-pocket cost. So that's the whole point. It's super easy to use. You're literally clicking a couple photos, taking photos of your receipts of products you're already buying anyway, and then you're submitting them to earn points, and you're exchanging the points for digital gift cards. That's it. The good thing with Amazon too is it gives you the code. So what I do when I am doing like birthday gifts or Christmas gifts or anything like that, if we're like, you know what, I want to get this person an Amazon gift card because I want to make sure that they can buy something they really love. So what I'll do is I'll get a digital gift card on Fetch Rewards. It has the Amazon code, and I'll literally write the code right in the card, because you don't need a physical card for Amazon like a normal gift card, right? It's just you're going to type in that code at checkout and it'll cover it. So that is a full tutorial on Fetch Rewards. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any questions. If there's any other tutorials on different rebate apps that you're looking for, let me know. I'd be more than happy to make some videos for you guys, but definitely get it downloaded. It's honestly the easiest rebate app, and it gives you the gift cards that you can use on pretty much anything. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, make sure you take a second, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you as part of the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.